is for me not to make a fool of myself.
And when I'm a big kid, when I see dog poop out there, I'll go pick it up. And you don't ask it. Oh, no. Aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Happy Saturday morning. And you know what? It's time to just have a fun day. No big grand adventures. We're just gonna go have some fun. Still there. Well, she's still over there. It's interesting. So we took the trash can out one day, brought it out, and in 8 hours brought it back over here, and it was an egg. And I saw her for the first time, and I couldn't bring myself to. Hold on, let me go inside because I'm totally self-conscious talking to myself out here. So I went out, saw her, and couldn't bring myself to move the trash can in or move the egg. And then literally over the course of, a week, we gained an egg every single day. Every single day, right around like 1 to 1:30, she would lay another egg. But then she would never stay there. Like the whole day, she would never stay there. We finally made it up to 10 eggs, and all of a sudden, now she won't leave, so she's over her eggs. So maybe we'll see some eggs hatch. That'll be really exciting. I'm just constantly washing bullseye of chicken poop. So the surf really looked good on this Saturday morning. It was such a beautiful morning. You gotta go out and have some fun. And John was still feeling a little bit. He wanted to sleep in. And so I really wanted to try surfing with Alex. This is something I want to get in with Alex and start doing more of. Overcoming that fear. We're not going to talk about the S word. We're just going to go have some fun. And so Haliewa was calling us. Haliewa for us is the closest beach to where we live. It pretty much is technically our local surf spot. And for the most part, it's pretty good. Sometimes you can get caught like off to the sides in the currents, and you have to kind of pay attention. But what I really like about Haliewa is there's like 3 sections. You got the big wave way out in the back, which is great for all the, not pros, but the locals who surf every day. They go nail those waves. Then you got like the mid waves, the intermediate waves, and then you got the beginner waves. And so it's nice because there's enough space for us on most days. Usually by noon on a Saturday, it can get pretty crowded. So we got up early and we booked it out there. All right, the goal of today is for me not to make a fool of myself and for Alex to teach me how to surf. Let's see what happens.
Mom needs to work on her surfing. Sorry, Mom.
don't have any expectations for Alex. Let's just have fun. If you stand up, you stand up, and if you don't, you don't. I told her maybe just try jumping to her knees and just riding with her knees for a little bit. Want to kind of break some bad juju, bad habits. I don't know. Alex, for a couple months now, has been putting her foot in the wrong spots and just falling off. And at the same time, we went to this shorter board, which is more appropriate for her size. It's gonna be a little bit easier for her to turn and to maneuver, but it's also harder to paddle out, and it's a little bit harder to balance. You've got to nail the placement. So let's just go have some fun. Plus, I suck at surfing, mostly because I never get to go out. I'm always at the shore with Haley. So this was a nice chance for me to go out and let's just go have some fun.
Bye, Mama. I don't know. Maybe you want to know. I don't know.
We just wrapped up our surf session, and as promised, I'm gonna buy Alex a candy or something from the 7-Eleven. And of course, the dude, we can't walk in there with that. The dudette doesn't have any shoes. So, fortunately, we live in Hawaii. Hopefully, you don't get kicked out for not having shoes. Are you feeling a little cold?
This is my first ride. And this is for the long seas.
So 7-Eleven can be really sketchy in different parts of the country, but here in Hawaii, 7-Eleven is almost in the terms of the 7-Elevens in Japan. I had a friend just recently say, they cater. That's the level that 7-Eleven is here. It is a great place to find some amazing snacks. John is addicted to his, I don't know what they're called. Someone's gonna say what they're called. But they're, the stuffed dumplings, usually with curry. John loves those. Anytime we have to go to Haliewa, he's like, I want to go to 7-Eleven.
What was that?
Bacon time! Haley, excited? Did you have a good morning with Dad? You did.
I was playing video games all day.
Dog. That is sick. Alright, so we already tried some of these, but we're going to try that one, and then we're going to try this one. Violet Crumble from Australia. That's a terrible Australian accent. Don't even... Fluffy
stuff.
Fluffies. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that. Alright, let's go for it. Alright, Haley, you ready to try this?
Yeah. I just want to feel it first. Oh, it feels like bread.
It feels like bread?
Yeah.
Does it really?
Moldy bread.
Yeah, it feels like moldy bread, but go for it.
Okay. I'm going to try the blue first and then the pink.
Okay.
Not for the pink.
It's a little crunchy and it's kind of blueberry flavor.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alex, what do you think?
That's pretty good.
Pretty?
Yummy!
Just take a bite. Just take a bite. The long thought. Oh, is it good? And finally, that was a little bit faster than the last thing we were doing. Take a look at that. Hold on, I gotta focus it. Don't stop moving. There we go. Okay, let's see this.
Oh my gosh, this is bread. This just looks like cupped and candy bread. It feels like bread and it is cupped and candy. It tastes like
There's a lot of thought in there.
cupped and candy bread.
You silly goose. Trying to think of what to describe
The
it.
flavors.
I like both of these.
The texture, the thing on the inside is kind of like the space ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
I just can't taste it, really.
Oh,
what it
'cause
is,
you're sick?
I'm sick.
Oh,
I can
turn-
taste the chocolate. I can only taste the chocolate.
Terrible.
I
All
never
right, my turn.
tried this one. I like the Australian chocolate bar.
Like dry ice cream.
Oh. So dry ice cream.
With chocolate.
But it almost reminds me of almost like
Chocolate
a
dry ice cream.
Butterfinger.
Butterfinger, molasses.
Like a
kind of
Butterfinger?
Yeah.
But
What's a
crunchy.
Butterfinger? It's so crunchy.
But good? Is that a yes? Not too bad?
Yeah.
Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up.
I love the fire chips.
My kids are really little kids, right? 5 and 7. And Haley always talks about what life will be like when she's a big kid. Say that again. You are, what's qualification?
Well, big kids walk by themselves about any parents.
Okay, that's a good start. What else?
And they spend money without any parents.
Is that the qualification for a big kid?
What about
No, I don't think mommy agrees with that one.
And they eat all of their food.
They eat all their food, okay. Without mommy forcing them to eat all their food.
Yeah, which Haley doesn't.
And I'm not a big kid still.
Yep, true. All right, what else? What is the qualification for a big kid?
Big kids don't act like babies.
Nope. They shouldn't. You're right.
They don't use baby stuff.
They don't use baby stuff.
And
And they do drink milk.
They do a lot of chores.
they do a lot of chores. And they cook food.
And they cook dinners.
About burning their hands.
Yeah.
And mow the lawns.
And mow the lawns and pick up dog poop without mommy asking.
Yep.
And when I'm a big kid, when I see dog poop out there, I'll go pick it up. And you know asking.
Good job, kid. I'm like, just enjoy it, kid. Just enjoy it now. Let's just relax and enjoy this moment of your innocence and childhood. Dude, you gotta go faster. Bam! Pancake! John took the girls out for a bike ride. When they got back, Alex was like, you know what? I'm gonna hit the jump today. John made this jump probably 2 years ago now. It's been that long. And Alex has hit it one other time. And she's slowly building up more and more courage. So she asked John to bring it out. And by God, she finally
I
I wasn't scared.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this more of a relaxed day on the North Shore. Mahalo to you guys for watching. And if you haven't already, please do give me a thumbs up. It does help me with this crazy YouTube algorithm. We'll see you guys later.
Ohio!
It's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive.